Hi, it's DB. This is the mini Toslink to Toslink optical audio cable. It looks very nice. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. Oh, it is very nice, even though most people won't ever see it. It does have the typical audio fiber optic connection for many receivers, but then some receivers use the 3.5 millimeter link to connect to the device. So if you have one that needs the mini connection and you have a TV that has fiber optic output, or this will work with an iMac, different sound equipment, I think Xbox as well. This can be yours for a fairly decent price. And it's the one I got is 9.8 feet long, so plenty of line to do whatever you need to do. And it does seem really well built. It does look nice, but it's solid. So this is a good cable, and I hope this helps you make your decision.